Welcome back. On this video, we are talking about continuation of the video of Manat we started posting. Don't forget that Ashwarya, like I said, have accused Anirudh and everything, and Manat find out the truth and everything. But I did hint to you people that in upcoming episode that we'll find out that she's actually lying, and she is up with some crooked ways again. So here she have kidnapped Anirudh, and we're about to find out what really happened and if she lied if she lied against you know, if she lied against Anirudh, what is the real truth? And also, I think Manat will also find the real truth. But this man, they will really suffer him a lot. Just know that. Don't forget to subscribe because you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. As we jump straight into the video of today on Manat.
The episode starts with Mannat helping Vikrant to do the Janmashtami puja. Malika is jealous to see them together. Vikrant admires Mannat. The priest asks them to pull the swing. Malika tries to pull it with Vikrant, but he steps aside. Anirudh sneaks into the puja. He abducts Aishwarya from there. The puja is over. Varun is trying to contact Mannat. Mannat is searching for Aishwarya there. Gagan says that she may be somewhere here. Mannat notices the earrings of Aishwarya. She asks them about it. Gagan and Malika informs her it's Aishwarya's earrings. Mannat says that she was here few minutes before. Did she disappeared out of the blue? Vikrant asks her to calm down. Let's search for her. Gagan sends everyone to search for Aishwarya there. Mannat is scared and searching for her. Vikrant says that she isn't in terrace too. Gagan says that she isn't in her room either. Mannat worried about her. Kiran complains that she's creating an another drama here. She wants to make everyone worry about her. Rajendra asks her to stop spitting venom at this time. Neetu asks them if Aniruddha kidnapped her. He created a scene here. Roni asks her to stop blabbering. She shouldn't create any new problems. Shruti worried. For Aishwarya, Malika says that it's her usual drama to create a drama. Gagan asks her how could a daughter talk like this. Malika says that she's her legitimate daughter. Mannat received Varun's call. He asks her if she see Anirudh somewhere. He's missing. He went out in anger. He wished to ask Mannat about him. Mannat says that she didn't see him after that incident. Varun asks her to inform him if she finds out anything about him. Mannat says to Vikrant that it seems Aniruddha did something to Aishwarya. Vikrant takes Mannat out to search for Aishwarya. Meanwhile, Aniruddha takes Aishwarya to Mezbani. He asks her how dare she to frame him. She lies to everyone that he molested her. He took blame without doing anything wrong. It's better to fulfill her wish. That's why he taken her to Mezbani. Aishwarya asks him to leave her. Later, Mannat is worried about Anirudh. She says to Vikrant that she promised to protect her, but she couldn't. Mannat says that he's angry. Vikrant says that he couldn't ruin Aishwarya's life even after he approached her. He may abducted in anger. Let's go to Mezbani to check whether he taken her there or not. Mannat is worried. He consoles her. Anirudh saying to Aishwarya that she will lose at any cost. Mannat will defeat her. Aishwarya says that he is right. Mannat is very smart. She finds out her every lies. This time it won't happen because Mannat is on her side now. She smartly shifts the blame on Anirudh. She believed that he molested her. Her family is supporting her. She took risk with her own life too. Save her. She will do anything for her own needs. Everyone is believing her lies. How much he tries, he can't change her mind. She slits her hand to make. Everyone believes that Anirudh attacked her, he kidnapped her to kill her. She scared of him and shoot in a self defense. She thought to send him to the jail, but he will repeat the same mistake by plotting against her. He once went to the jail for her mistake. He can sacrifice his life for his love for her. Today is his last day. He pushed her down. Meanwhile, Vikrant promised to Mannat that he won't allow her to go alone. He will be with her always. We can come over all struggles together. Later, Aniruddha strangles Aishwarya's neck from behind. Aniruddha says that he is ready to die, but he will kill her. Aishwarya says that he can't kill Sonia Khanna. No one has the dare to do it. Anirudh says that she'll face defeat in front of. Mannat Vikrant won't live with her daughter Malika. He will support his daughter Mannat. Aishwarya shoots at that time, but Mannat comes there. She faints there. Meanwhile, Deepak gives a courier to Malika and informs her that it's Vikrant's courier. He forgot to give it to him in the puja time. Malika opens it and finds out it's in divorce papers. She's shocked to read it. She thinks if Vikrant wants to divorce her for Mannat, how dare he to leave her for Mannat? Mom is already leaving her for Mannat. Vikrant also doing the same. Mannat has to face the consequences of it. Later, Vikrant and Anirudh to run to help Mannat. Aishwarya demands Aniruddha to stay away from Mannat to make them believe that she is protecting her from Aniruddha. Aniruddha tries to run away from there, but Vikrant pushed him into the pool. Mannat helps Aishwarya. Aniruddha requests Mannat not to believe Aishwarya. She's faking it, she's doing drama, nothing happened to her. He came back for his daughter. She confessed to him that Aishwarya will kill her and him. Pleads with her to believe him. Aishwarya thinks that Mannat ruined her plan. The police arrested him. Later, Aishwarya gained her consciousness. Aishwarya says that Mannat and Vikrant saved her life. Vikrant says that it's his duty. Roni says that Aniruddha dared to kidnap Aishwarya from their house, crossing there. Guards, Aishwarya shows her fake love on Mannat. Neetu says that it's not safe for Aishwarya to stay in this house or this city. Aishwarya thinks that her truth won't come out once she leaves from this place. She asks Gagan to go back too. London, he nodded to her. Aishwarya asks Mannat to go with her. She thinks that she won't disturb Mallika's life. She refuses for Shruti. Gagan assures to take Shruti along with them. Mannat agrees to go with her. Aishwarya feels like she succeeded once again.